What an absolutely gorgeous bob haircut transformation. She looks absolutely stunning. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we will be taking a look at some more long to short and just overall chic hair transformations that we know that you will love. Now, if you do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Beautiful ombre bob style for the next look. And if you guys didn't know, ombre hair is definitely on the comeback. Love that color. Next up, we see someone with hair just around their shoulders, a little bit longer than shoulder length. She has decided to switch things up with this chic bob style. Now she's got a nice chunky highlighted look here. Chunky highlights were a huge trend during the 90s and early 2000s, and the look has managed to make a comeback. So there is a close-up look on that bob with the chunky lights. Beautiful hair change, absolutely gorgeous style. Now next up, this isn't a hair transformation, but I thought that it was a great edgy hairstyle idea. She does have a bit of a shallot mullet variation here. Beautiful color blocking take with that green shade peeking through the bangs and through the sides. And I like how this style really just features her natural texture. This is such a cute hairstyle idea. Right on trend with all of the retro styles that have managed to make a comeback this season. Next up, we have someone in for a cut refresh. She ends up getting a nice little mini bob style here. Oh, she actually got a pixie. Beautiful bangs to frame out that pixie look. get a full 360 view here. Longer sideburns, which is a huge trend right now. Such a cute hairstyle. Love how this frames out her round face shape. All right, you guys, so I am going to leave you to check out this very last hair transformation.